You know, say this girl, as they talk, as I was saying, this girl come up for house, run, leave him, mama, follow this man. Tell the man, say, okay, anywhere you dey go, I go follow you. The man come hold am. The man can't see real love inside. Not be say because they get there frustrated. They can't just know what she wants. Because many women don't know what they want. You don't know what you want. Yeah? If na person wey go there, will no be 4 minutes man you want. Now you know. If na money, now you know. Some people, even if your husband a 1 minute man, you go still help am. Show am how they do am. The person go buckle up, begin the last as long as you want. As you be Jackie, make I tell you, you know what happened? That man can say, oh God, I prayed for this day. I prayed for this kind of woman, and you've given her to me. He carried the girl. See a book where they say earring, buy ring. Tell the girl, you marry me. Now the girl wear a book ring go. He never reached the man house. He still just love her. The man can't lie, can't carry and go. Not be female, they tell her as testament where one man tell me, say, make I tell people. You know, say, if you see this man mansion, where he carry the girl go. Come like say, make it they carry keke, go carry motor bag. Come, the girl come they ask her, what happened to your leg? He can't lie. Tell the girl, say, now, so one nurse inject her. When he's small, I make your leg bend like that. The girl, hey, sorry, don't worry. I'll be massaging you by God's grace. You start walking well. That shows real love. Real love day now. For where? You know day. You know day. Agape, you know day. But some people see the love, shall. Because story plenty. You know, say this girl. Come enter mansion, tell the man, nah, lie. He said the man say, if not like this, I'm not going to marry you. Because I hear say, people who get money, they match people, they carry women up and down. He said, no. A lot of women disappointed me in the past. So I just want to make amend. That is why I disabled myself. I did a lot of things for people to think that I am like that. The girl started crying. As the girl they cry, you know, say I beg, no cry. Now our wedding are next week. When they carry their motor, enter the mama compound, the mama idiot mama, he come out like this. I got a bachelor. She the man, you know, go enter. But when he see motor, he can't shock. The man can't say waka. He can't say oga. Now you get this motor, you don't forget the waka way the way they waka. You are like, let me get that. Let's say apple, let me get car. He say, hey, sorry, you need to what I tell you. The girl told the mother, you are a fool. The guy said, no, don't worry. Don't insult your mom, okay? Sorry. If you see escorts, we'll carry them. And the man walk out, tell mama, nothing happened to my leg. I'm okay. It be like this, it be like that. Now the testament, no, it don't end. Women, when I get sense. When I know when man, they test too now. Men, they too, they test. Now even women know sabi test man. Men they too they test women. Una no go know. Even people will be say, nah, this thing abacha, some kind of food where they eat for their house. Man carry come out. You go begin the quotes. You go say make you buy pizza, make you buy shawarma. You go chop finish. You go see carry take away go ass. Where you want put I go chop finish. You go they mess up and down. You know go even just chop one where your body go carry. If you chop finish, you go. Greediness. Now they kill women. Greediness. I beg you. If you not throw away my testament, I'm advancing. Men not throw away me. I beg. Not throw away me, I go cry because I can't do without you people. Now, because anybody forgive my mouth this much. Take what you talk. Go to talk on another one.